perhaps is all around us now. Nonviolence needs to be the greater value in the way we communicate, in the way we proceed with our policies with each other, as well as how we treat other peoples of other countries in the world. There's nothing passive about passive resistance in the face of violence and force, as Martin Luther King and Gandhi illustrate.